What do you think? Do you like what he got?
Yeah.
Yeah? What color is it? Green. Is it red and white?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one has polka dots, Manny? Or I'm sorry. He's got some pants. Yay, pants. What else did you get? What is this?
A puppy.
A puppy?
Throw it out.
Yeah, you gotta throw out the paper. That's right.
We gotta throw it out.
No, we'll throw it out in the kitchen. Let's look at